Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best jet dust collectors that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Jet Metal Dust Collector Stand JDCS505. This product is an excellent choice for those who want a compact yet efficient dust collection solution. It features a turbofan design capable of moving up to 472 CFM of air, making it ideal for capturing dust and debris from benchtop machines. The unique non-sparking aluminum fan blade and housing add an extra layer of safety by minimizing fire risks when working with abrasive materials. Additionally, the integrated metal drawer makes cleanup a breeze. Build quality is where the JDCS505 truly stands out. Crafted from durable steel and featuring a high-temperature filter that captures 90% of 50-micron particles, this dust collector is built to last. Its compact design, combined with removable water pots, doubles as a pedestal stand, which is a smart touch for space-saving workshops. However, its weight of 68.8 pounds might make it less portable compared to other options. When it comes to value, the JDCS505 is perfect for small workshops or hobbyists who need a reliable dust collector for lighter workloads. Its relatively low price point makes it a budget-friendly pick. But it does sacrifice some performance in terms of air movement compared to higher-end models. Pros include affordability, safety features, and a dual-purpose design. On the downside, its lower CFM rating and limited capacity may not suit larger setups. At number 4, we have the Jet 2-micron Canister Filter Kit. This product is designed for those who already own a dust collection system and want to improve its filtration capabilities. The 7869B captures 98% of 2-micron particles, ensuring cleaner air in your workshop. It's compatible with Jet 1100VX and 1200VX dust collectors, making it an excellent upgrade for existing Jet systems. The included handle allows for easy cleaning. Just a few rotations and you're back to optimal performance. The design is simple yet effective. The 20-inch canister is made from durable steel and comes with all necessary components, including collection bags and hardware. Weighing 30.4 pounds, it's relatively lightweight for its size, but its air-powered functionality means you'll need an existing dust collector to make full use of it. While it doesn't generate suction on its own, its filtration performance is top-notch, especially for those dealing with fine sawdust. This filter kit is ideal for users who already own a compatible jet dust collector and want to enhance its performance. The 1-year warranty provides peace of mind, but keep in mind that this is an accessory, not a standalone unit. Pros include exceptional filtration efficiency, easy maintenance, and compatibility with popular jet models. On the downside, its usefulness is limited to those who already have a compatible dust collector. Taking the number 3 spot, we have the Jet DC650 dust collector. This machine is a step up in power with a 1 HP motor capable of delivering 650 CFM of air movement. It's designed to handle 1 to 3 machines at a time, making it a versatile option for small to mid-sized workshops. The single-stage design ensures efficient dust collection, while the noise level of 70 dB keeps it relatively quiet during operation. The permanently lubricated, totally enclosed, fan-cooled motor is built for continuous duty, ensuring long-term durability. The DC650 is a well-built unit, featuring a robust steel body and 4 casters for easy maneuverability. At just 0.01 ounces, excluding packaging, it's one of the lightest full-size dust collectors on the market. The included bag-style filter has a capacity of 2.1 cubic feet, which is sufficient for most hobbyists and light industrial applications. However, the lack of advanced filtration might not be ideal for those dealing with very fine particles. In terms of value, the DC650 is a solid investment for users who need more power and capacity than entry-level models without breaking the bank. It's best suited for small to medium workshops with moderate dust collection needs. Pros include its high airflow, quiet operation, and portability. The cons? It lacks advanced filters and may require additional accessories for optimal performance. Coming in at number 2 is the WEN DC1300, a powerhouse dust collector that offers impressive performance at 1,300 CFM. With a 14-amp motor, spinning a 10-inch steel impeller at 3,450 RPM, this unit is designed for heavy-duty applications. The vertical 50-gallon collection bag is a standout feature, providing ample storage for extended use without needing frequent emptying. Additionally, the dual 4-inch air inlets allow you to connect up to 2 tools simultaneously, making it a versatile choice for busy workshops. The DC1300 boasts a sturdy design, with a mobile base and 4 swivel casters for easy maneuverability. At 86.8 pounds, it's heavier than some competitors, but the extra weight adds to its stability. The 5-micron filter ensures that fine particles are captured, promoting cleaner air in your workspace. Whether you're working on hardwood, softwood, or MDF, this machine handles it all with ease. For its price, the WEN DC1300 offers excellent value, especially for professionals or serious hobbyists who need a dependable machine for demanding tasks. Its high suction power and large capacity make it ideal for larger workshops. Pros include its dual-tool compatibility, high airflow, and large collection capacity. On the downside, it's a bit bulky, and the 5-micron filter may not be sufficient for ultra-fine dust. Finally, at number 1, we have the Mullet High-Speed Cyclone Dust Collector. This innovative product is a game-changer for anyone using a shop vacuum for dust collection. Its parabolic design and one-piece construction pre-separate over 99% of debris, ensuring that only clean air reaches your vacuum's filter. This not only keeps suction consistent, but also extends the life of your vacuum. The rigid, cut-to-fit PVC connection eliminates the hassle of duct tape and bungees, making setup quick and easy. The Mullet is lightweight at just 7.5 pounds, yet it's built to last. Made from durable materials and finished in a sleek, glossy coating, it's both functional and stylish. The unit is also highly portable, thanks to its compact design and included wheels. With a noise level of 72 dB, it's quieter than many shop vacuums, making it a pleasant addition to your workspace. In terms of value, the Mullet is unbeatable for hobbyists, woodworkers, and garage enthusiasts who need a simple, effective dust collection solution. It's compatible with virtually all wet-dry shop vacuums, making it a versatile choice. Pros include its high debris separation efficiency, easy setup, and universal compatibility. The only con is that it relies on an external vacuum for suction, meaning it's not a standalone unit. Overall, this product combines performance, design, and affordability, earning its spot at the top of our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.